New overnight, strong wind knocking down trees and power lines across the area. Nick Giovanni's live in Haverhill with a closer look at the damage there. Nick?
And Kate, now that we have some daylight to work with, we are getting a better idea of why police have this stretch of Groveland Street blocked off here. You take a look just a few doors down from where we are right now. A tree was knocked over, and I actually walked over and looked at the base of that tree. It actually came up through the pavement of a driveway. It's now leaning on the roof of one house. Not sure exactly the extent of the damage done to that house, but it is also hovering over the street. So that is certainly why police are here on the scene. It is on private property, though, so they tell me they are waiting for the homeowner to address this later this morning. In Methuen, meanwhile, a home caught a lucky break, you could say. Literally, a tree came down right next to a house. Fortunately, it toppled over the other way. Back here at the scene, I did speak to Haverhill Fire. They said no reports of any injuries. Well, live in Haverhill, Nick Giovanni, WBZ This Morning.